Welcome to the TriNix classroom. Today's lesson is on LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple, and it refers to the lowest multiple that two or more numbers have in common. That means to have the same number as a multiple. A multiple is the number we get when we multiply one number by another. For example, 3 times 9 equals 27. Multiplying 3 by 9 gives us the multiple 27. When we look for the least common multiple, or LCM, between two or more numbers, we first list and examine the multiples of each of the given numbers. Then we look for the lowest common multiple between them. That number becomes the LCM. Let's find the LCM of 6 and 9. The first step is to list the multiples of each number. We will start with multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Multiples can go on forever, but we will stop there. Next, we will list the multiples of 9, which are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and we will stop at 90. Now that we have listed the multiples of both numbers, we will look for the multiples that they have in common. 18 is a multiple of both 6 and 9, and so is 36 and 54. What we want, however, is the least common multiple, which is the smallest or lowest number both 6 and 9 have in common, and that number is 18. So the least common multiple, or LCM, of 6 and 9 is 18. Let's try another. What is the LCM of 2 and 7? First, we will list the multiples of both numbers. Starting with 2, the multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. The multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. Now we will find the common multiples, and in this batch there is only one, the number 14, and so our LCM is 14. What if you're asked to find the LCM of 3 numbers? Let's find the LCM of 3, 4, and 6. The steps are still the same, except we will find multiples of 3 numbers instead of 2. First, we will find the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Next, the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Finally, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Our next step is to find the common multiples between the 3 numbers. 12 is a multiple of 3, 4, and 6. 24 is also a multiple of all 3 numbers, but we are looking for the least common multiple, which in this case is 12. The multiple 6 is lower, and 3 and 6 have this multiple in common. 6 is not a multiple of 4, and so it cannot be the LCM of the 3 numbers. The LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. If you list your multiples and do not see a number in common, you can continue listing multiples until a common multiple is found. That is it for this lesson. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more help videos.